If you are wondering if you need a premium subscription from Blink to Blink Video Doorbell, let me tell you what you can do without a subscription, and after that we'll cover what you lose without having that subscription. So first thing is you can use core functions like motion alerts, live view, and two-way audio without paying. You can save clips locally to USB drive if you add a sync module with a USB flash drive. That allows you to avoid a cloud subscription for video storage. Older accounts created before the April 15, 2020 get a limited amount of free cloud storage by default. What you lose without a subscription is unlimited or long-term cloud storage of video clips. Is a subscription feature. Without a plan, clips may expire or you may have a limited retention. Some advanced features like moments, extended live view recordings, or photo capture person detection filters may be restricted to subscription plans. And rapid access to recent videos from cloud might be slower or unavailable without the subscription. So that is the sum up of what you can lose if you don't use the subscription and the benefits of having it. So that is basically everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.